And I'm back. I'm back. All right. So you made it. You made it to the end. You made it to the recap. So what did you learn, right? So you learned about the four scopes of business. So now you should be able to tell me about primary, secondary, retail, and auxiliary, ancillary. You should be able to tell me about all those building blocks and how they fit together, right? You should be able to explain the three common forms of business ownership, and hopefully know which one you want to use to start your business. You should be able to tell me about the importance of the entrepreneurial mindset, right? And that, I love that Andy Dunn's story so much. I love it because he started his apartment, and $310 million later, he is a super success story. And he's probably somebody you haven't heard of. So that's why I pulled him out, because it's somebody most people haven't heard of. Actually, a lot of people haven't even heard of the brand. So you know a little bit about the role of franchising and licensing, and you know who the top players are in that. And you have a good understanding of the role of a visual merchandiser and retail designers and some folks that work on the other side of the business that is a customer facing, but you probably never really thought about. Okay, all right, so that's where we are. You have gone through those topics, and next week. Sorry, let me pull it up for next week. Next week we're going to be talking about, and actually next week our next module as well will be open for 2 weeks, and we're going to be talking about, that's why it's for 2 weeks. We're going to be talking about textiles and fibers and fabric. So you're going to get an introduction to textiles and fashion merchandising 60 in a 2-week module. So we're going to be talking about that for the rest of the time. Okay. All right. It's good to see ya. Again, hit me if you need to on the inbox, and check me out in the office visiting hours.